I'm just heading into Central Station because I'm meeting some of the girls from Bloggers Who Brunch. We are going to go to Deer Green Coffee Roastery today. And Gemma, who organises Bloggers Who Brunch, has asked me to vlog the day. I bet I'm the first here. I'm always the earliest, unless I get stuck in traffic, and then I'm the late. Hello.
Hello. So Deer Green very kindly invited Bloggers Who Brunch to go along, get a roastery, get a tasting, and just learn more about coffee. It's something that I learned about Deer Green, which is really interesting. See if Deer Green's in a shop, they actually go and train the barista. So they don't just go, here's our bags, get on with it.
That's
go
really
in
good.
and they train them how to make coffee properly with Deer Green. If you see a shop and it's got Deer Green, you know it's good, and they know how to make it properly as well, which makes a massive difference.
Hello!
Also we're waiting on Denise and Rebekah and Hayleigh.
It's like the only time I run, so clearly you're fit. How are you doing? How are you?
Are you all excited?
Yes.
Sorry to interrupt, hello.
Hello! Hello!
But yeah, 2014 I'd been to coffee festivals in like Sydney, Melbourne, Sydney, Nice, London, Gothenburg. And I was like, why do not event like this in Glasgow? And there's no one to do it, so I'll just do it. So that's why we started the coffee festival. So I basically just hired to bring it, and I just phoned up loads of other coffee roasters, cafes, and said, hey, do you want to come and like join me and just promote coffee in Glasgow? And sent a picture of other coffee festivals for ideas of what we could do. And we did it, and we pulled it off. Last year we got Keep Cup to sponsor us, and these guys are like the original reusable cup. It's an Australian company, but what's really cool from our point of view is that it's a brother and sister that started the company, now run by the sister, Abby, and we were born in Glasgow. They helped us, and it was incredible. It was a major achievement for us. We had no disposable cups, there was hardly any waste. We saved a fortune on waste. We've made the cup rinsers so people could clean their cups between having each coffee, and every time they rinse their cup there'd be someone put a tally mark on a blackboard, and then we calculated that it was over 18,000 times cups had been washed, therefore potentially 18,000 cups saved a month. And these guys are sponsoring again this year, and the idea this year is to have a noticeable culture change, so not people coming and hiring a cup from Keep Cup, because that's what we did last year. You paid a £5 deposit, you got a cup. This year we want to see people turning up with their cup, so they actually have one, and they do have it in their life that they reuse, and they've been saving cups from landfill all year maybe. So we can prove that from last year to this year we've created a culture change in Glasgow, and maybe has influenced other cultures or cities or whatever, you know. So at London Coffee Festival this year, Keep Cup did the same thing as a kind of guerrilla warfare throughout the festival style. They got different stands within the festival to have cup rinsers and to use reusables only, and that was inspired by us doing it in Glasgow. So yes. That's our two major sponsors, Lammers Rocco and Keep Cup. So what happens is everyone arrives at the festival, they've got their ticket, they hire a cup or they bring their own, and then they'll get directed to a coffee bar where they can get a free coffee on arrival. We're in 40 exhibitors, all coffee related stuff, so there'll be coffee roasters, cafes, there's food, there's espresso machine companies, grinder companies. Bring your coffee. This is our coffee. This is pretty much, we store a small amount here and the rest is in a temperature controlled warehouse in Barriston Edmonds, and we get a pallet or 2 a week depending where we're at. Usually we have a full pallet of Brazil, so I'm presuming we're due one in. And we've got about half a container worth of this, somewhere like 200 sacks. And this is a new season for Brazil actually. Everything else is just about to be new season. Yes, as soon as the coffee comes in, it looks like this actually, incidentally, if you don't know what raw coffee looks like. It's green and hard.
And does it smell?
Do you smell it? Smell.
I can smell your perfume though.
This is just raw coffee, so it's called green coffee, which a lot of people think that's why we're called Deer Green. So coffee industry people think we're called Deer Green because of coffee, but everyone in Glasgow knows that it's Gaelic for Glasgow. So yeah, it works on different levels. The company.
I didn't know that either.
Did you not know that? No. Glasgow is a Gaelic word and it translates into English as Deer Green Place.
That's so pretty.
Did you not know that?
No, I
Can't
didn't
ginger
know
that.
that.
Green coffee, so when coffee is traded in the stock market, it's traded as green coffee. So there's going to be lots of green bean importers at the festival who will be talking about the origins of this, quality aspects of this, all sorts of cool stuff that coffee geeks love. People like me love talking about and get excited about. So hopefully we can get other people excited about it too.
I don't know that too. Story how coffee was discovered, like with the quotes.
Oh, do you like that?
That's my favourite.
So a mythological story that a shepherd was walking his goats in Ethiopia, and the goats were getting a bit excited, a little bit frisky. He's like, what's going down with the goats? And they trying to work out, so he saw they were eating the cherries from the tree. So he started eating the cherries from the tree, nothing really happened. And he realised that, oh, maybe it was a seed, because he wasn't digesting the seed. So he couldn't really eat the seed, because you know, it's like solid. This is a raw coffee seed here from a cherry. So he roasted it. And of course it's still not that nice, but if you crush it up and put it in water, coffee. So that's the story apparently of how coffee was discovered. So this was in Cattle Forest Estate apparently. Cattle Forest Estate in southern highlands of Ethiopia. So of course I went there. So you gotta do that. Yeah. So that's the story. There you go. That's the baboon. Roast coffee. This is a coffee roaster. This is Betty. She roasts 25 kilos at a time. Coffee goes on the top here. We climb up these ladders, whack the coffee in. And then the drum inside rotates. Underneath the drum is gas cylinders to heat up the drums. It's a cast iron drum. And coffee is roasted about 200 degrees when it goes in. So yeah, this is a Probat 25 kilo, a P25. And then this one's a Probat 5 kilo. So this means we can do really small exclusive microlots of coffee. Rather than having to roast, 20 odd kilos of it and then it goes to waste or anything. We can do really small amounts and yeah, really amazing coffees essentially. Batch we do, we take a small sample, we have a batch code, we taste it and we grade it and we score it and we make sure we've got absolute consistency, and then we check it against graphs from our software. We develop those sugars, they caramelise and then they have a deeper, richer flavour. If you caramelise them too much they become bitter and they burn, and that's why you get bitter coffee. Yeah. Caffeine is bitter. If you have a high caffeine content in coffee it'll taste bitter, or if you burn it. So people who say like dark, strong coffee, actually it's like saying, oh, I like burnt things. So we try and maintain natural sweetness in all the coffees. And that's about sourcing it accurately in the first place, by sourcing sweet cherries. So just got to get the gas connected and then this bad boy's up and running. So for exclusive small lots of coffee. And in here we manually... I know, I keep calling it the wee man. I don't know, everyone thinks it's like, that's Betty, like the door's called Senga.
I was calling it wee bar.
Yes, everything here at Digney's all hand packed, hand sealed, hand weighed, hand ground. Yeah, there's our bags there, we have bags hand stamped still. Since day one it's still there, we still do it. There's our yellow buckets for organic, because we have organic certification. And yeah, I have white ones for everything else. And these are all food safe buckets. And yeah, we listen to Radio 6. There's like international brewing standards, and whenever we taste coffee all around the world, we brew coffee identically. So whenever, if someone wants to taste this bean somewhere in, I don't know, this country, anywhere you like, Gothenburg, Sweden, this is Sweden.
So we've got gift bags for you with some things we've put together,
And we did have Coffee Festival. We thought some baby to take to London Coffee Festival, but we left them there.